I work in the park in the zoo. Um, we're gonna be talking henceforth, right? Like from now, the difference between membrane computers and mechanical computers. Computer keyboards are not separate moving pads as with majority of other keyboards, but rather PA pads that have outlines and symbols painted for a flat, flexible surface. This is what we're dealing with membrane keyboard. It is made of plastic and it's lighter than mechanical. When you click in and clacking on the mechanicals, one flat and aligned surface with PAD that you activate their keystrokes. Well, keys may not have a strong tactile feel when you press down on them. They are palpable and they're very physical, less of being quieter when you're typing. It's on the basics of economics. What we're dealing with the mechanical, this is the phenomenal software that it's really tough, it's pretty solid, plastic, it's not plastic definitely, and doesn't flex on a twist. Terribly cheap, well, we could give that to the membrane keyboard, as mechanical is a little bit expensive, it's clicky. It's supposed to be a ripoff of the MX Blue of Greens and Army's Red LED ambience. Benefits of using a mechanical? Well, it's nothing fancy, it's simple. It's quite durable, and heavyweight in the rubber, nothing to keep it right. We have different factors. These cables you can find them on Amazon and e-commerce sites.